Beautiful beings, bienvenido! My first name is Kuwa Jasiri, and I am an herbalist, seed keeper, and birth worker. I am also the founding steward at Authentic Creations Artistic Apothecary. Annually, we support 1,111 community members with our plant-based programming. We use the seed-to-seed method, planting seeds, growing seeds, and harvesting seeds to keep cultural biodiversity in our zero-waste community gardens, as well as our sustainable wild harvesting practices. We are a grassroots organization celebrating 10 years of service to genderqueer people of culture. We partner with plants for food, medicine, fibers, pigments, tools, and ancestral ceremonies. So far this growing season, we have distributed 49 pounds of seeds, 800 ounces of herbal medicine, 50 pounds of medicine-making supplies, and 1,000 ounces of hygiene. Our plant-based programming includes educational workshops, accessible online caption tutorials, mutual aid care packages, full-spectrum birthwork services, wellness and play summits, indigenous herbal clinics, and our Big Mountain Gardening Network. To accomplish our goals, we collaborate with local organizations, community groups, solidarity networks, mutual aid hubs, seed growers, and wellness companies, communities, anybody. I want anybody. In 2021, we raised $30,000 through grants, community donations, and Moonly contributions from our Seed Pack Giving Tree Network on Patreon. Take a moment to learn more about us at artisticapothecary.org.